decided to join us again. Well, thanks for coming back. Well, the sun's come out and there's no better reason to go out for a hoot. But we're better than that, you know we're better than that. We're actually going down to a car meet. The car meet is actually called 55's. No, it's not for over 55's. I'm not that old yet. It's actually a meet hosted by BRHC. It's for 55 cars maximum, ticket only event. So no tickets, no entry. Well, obviously we've got ourselves a ticket. There is voting for each car for best car of the day. I believe there's little prizes. Don't quote me on that, I'm not 100% sure. But we're off now down to Lewis to go and meet with Chris, and then we will convoy into the event. Well, we'll see you all again in a second. Well, it looks busy already. Hello mate, you see that? Yep, you see it?
That's alright. Yep. So you've got a listing show going on, so you've got your number there doing the windscreen.
Yep.
And at the bottom.
Nice Alpine. That's better. If I go that way, I don't get the sun glare. I just get your shadow. Check out the R8. A gorgeous, gorgeous car. Look at that. A lot of time for this.
Yeah, I already like
It looks really cool, I like it. He's actually got a Japan badge on the back. He just needs my lights on the front and police written on the side. I like the old style Porsche rims on a Boxster. I still think I should get a Boxster. I do love those wheels of that. It looks really nice. Those inwards. It looks really, really smart. love all the bits and pieces, like this bit here. I love the interior on these things. Have you seen the interior?
Yeah.
I just think that's really done well. The interior is gorgeous. I think these are really, really nice cars. It's got a very cool plate. Has it got the plate on the front? Paul's Mark 5 Supra, set next to a very nice R8, a bagged Audi S3, really sitting low, and another couple of Beamers.
Yeah, I just can't stop driving it. And what the colour was, I knew it was blue, but I didn't actually know how metallic.
It is a very, very cool car.
That's one of my ultimate cars, that is.
God, I love a TVR. Nothing really compares to a TVR interior or anything on a TVR really. Gorgeous cars. And there we go, that was a really good meet, a really good car won, which was that little mini type car. And we're just going to go out for a little bit of a drive now. I'm following Paul in the Mark 5, and there's a guy taking photos.